Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Lucid Dreams on guitar easily. We will start by learning the 4 simple chords that form the foundation of this song. These are C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Focusing on these will help you build a strong bass. We will also cover a basic strumming pattern and how to transition smoothly between each chord. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A simple yet effective pattern is down, down, up, down, up. Practice this slowly to ensure you hit each strum clearly. Maintaining a consistent tempo is crucial for the song's flow. Use a metronome if needed to keep your rhythm steady and capture the emotional feel of the music. Now, let's put the chords and strumming together. The main chord progression for Lucid Dreams is C, G, A minor, and F. You will repeat this sequence for both the verse and the chorus sections of the song. Practice this progression slowly, ensuring your finger placement is precise for each chord to produce clear, ringing notes. To make your learning journey even smoother, here are a few helpful tips. You might find it easier to play with a capo placed on the first fret, which can simplify some chord shapes. Also, listen to the original song often to internalize its timing and feel. Consistent practice, even just 15 minutes daily, will significantly improve your playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.